Hi, class, and good morning. The last few days we've been talking about our rules and classroom responsibilities and how that will partake into our classroom. So we came up with a class rule list together. So today I want to talk about choices and how our choices can affect our rules and everything going forward, and how it can affect us both in school and at home and for the rest of our lives. So we all know that there's good choices and bad choices. So for us today, we're going to go over some examples of those. And then at the end, we're going to get together in groups and come up with a couple more choices on our own. So first of all, I'll go over all of these and then we'll go over them together, okay? So first we have running in the hallway, keeping your hands to yourself, calling people names, listening to the teacher, playing during work time, playing with scissors, be nice to everyone, yell across the room to a friend, raise your hand to speak, keep your hands to yourself, and saying please and thank you. Now these are just a few examples, but let's go over them. So for the good choices, we'll write it in green. For the bad choices, we'll write it in red. Okay, so this will be red, and the good choices will be green. Okay, so running in the hallway. Good choice or bad choice? What do you think? Yeah, it's probably a bad choice, right? Not a good way to. It's a good way to get yourself into trouble, to go down to the principal. We don't want that. And that's a rule that we have as well, right? We walk in the hallways and we're quiet in the hallways. How about keep your hands to yourself? What do you think? Yep, that's a good choice. Keeping our hands to ourselves, showing that we're ready to move on with the next topic, right? How about calling people names? Yeah, we don't want to make others feel bad, right? So we want to make sure that we're not calling each other names and that we're being nice to one another. How about listening to the teacher? Right. You listen to the teacher and nobody gets hurt and we're all on the same page, right? Good. How about playing during work time? Right. Not good. You want to be paying attention to what we're doing and so that we all can do what we need to do and the right thing, right? Good. How about playing with scissors? Yeah, not a safe decision. If we're playing with scissors, if we're using scissors, then we want to use them correctly, right? We're not, and that's something that we would do with an adult. Being nice to everyone. Right. You're nice to your friends, then everybody feels good and we're all on the same page. Good job. How about yelling across the room to a friend? Right. You don't want to yell across the room to a friend. You're going to distract others. You're not paying attention to what the teacher's saying, like we said before. It's good. How about raising your hand to speak? Good. If we raise our hand, then you'll be called upon, and the teacher will know that you're ready to talk, and you'll know that the teacher is ready for you to talk. Good. Keep your hands to yourself. Good. Keeping your hands to yourself is a good choice. Like I said, it shows that you're calm and that you're ready to move on with the next thing. How about saying please and thank you? Right. Good. Using your manners and showing that you're truly thankful, and that when you say please, you're showing that you're being very positive. So that's good. Showing the good manners. So these are just a few of the good things and the bad things, the good choices and bad choices that we make on a daily basis. When you're at home, these things can work at home too. You get in trouble in school, what happens? Right, you go to the principal or you get in trouble at home. So we want to remember these things. So what I want you guys to do we're going to break up into small groups, and we're going to discuss five choices that we think would be good or bad. And I want you to come up with 5 choices that you do at home and 5 choices you do in school. And then in about 10 minutes, we'll get together and we'll go over those. All right. Thanks so much.